Alright guys, today is Saturday, December 31st, 2016, New Year's Eve. It is about noon or so. Let's see, how far have I gotten with this car now? Last time last check, I think I still had the windows and everything on the glass still on the car. But as you can see, I've removed all the glass, the stainless steel trim that goes on the window sills, both sides. So it's all just the lock mechanisms, door mechanisms that are left on the doors. I've already pulled out the wires for the light, so that's great. I've also pulled out the little stainless steel trim that goes on the rocker panels. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, so this was missing the plastic cover. Passenger side was, or the rear side was also missing the plastic cover, but the passenger side still had them. And looking at the glass, driver's side has a replacement glass, not Toyota, aftermarket. The quarter glass is stamped Toyota, so sometime in its life that the glass was broken on the driver's side, both driver door and quarter glass. And yeah, so they're not stamped Toyota, or they don't have the little TEQ, whatever you want to call it, like there. So not original to the car, but the passenger side still original glass. I'm going to check to see which one of my other cars have original Toyota glass and maybe swap it in. But yeah, it does say Toyota on the, like I said, on the quarter glass, but we'll see. Anyways, so handbrake needs to come out, and I'm primarily going to be working on the dash and hopefully the wire harness and everything. I will have to try and take detailed photos because this was already taken apart when I got it. Like I said, I've already labeled some of the wires here. Already made a diagram of how they come out of the front panel here. Silly me, I didn't take photos, but made a little diagram on a notebook. And yeah, so dash forward, getting there. I will have to try to figure out how this is set up because my friend took it apart without me being able to stop him. But my fault. Should have told him I haven't really taken photos of that. So anyways, yeah, we're getting there. Almost. Maybe today I'll get the wire out of here and it'll just be engine bay stuff. Alright, till next installment.